classical and contemporary dance, modern puppetry, and Thai classical and contemporary music are also presented by the Joe Louise example. Joe Louise will attend Apec 2022 to exhibit the pursuit of Benyakai to promote the Thai tradition of soft power culture.
สวัสดีค่ะ We are from Joe Louise Theatre, Thailand. Pleased to present our Thai traditional puppet. And now today, Apec, great opportunity to present our powerful soft power. Our performance is called Hanuman Seizing Benjakai or the Pursuit of Benjakai. It's the story from Ramayana, and it talks about the love in the battle. And we are use the puppet, the human puppet, and we have a puppeteer to control the human. It's like a puppet to perform with Hanuman, and we will show how Thai mass dance combined with the traditional Thai puppet. It's most beautiful. Actually, traditional Thai puppet have been invented over 100 years, and we would like to invite all of you to visit our page at Facebook Joe Louise Theatre fan page, and please share our soft power.
สวัสดีค่ะ